Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. In this video, I want to share more developments with you. This was the idea that I shared at the Patreon on 19th of June, and then I shared in my previous video with you as well. And this was a very big bullish harmonic cipher pattern. And I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this was the idea when the price line completed this final leg of the bullish cipher, and I told you that it is quite low risk and high reward trading plan because the price line has entered in the buying zone and moved at the very end of this buying zone at the very close to the stop loss. Now I'm just going to play the chart. You can see that the price line has moved at 24 cents and our stop loss for this trade is the maximum extent of this buying zone, that is 22.48 cents. And you can see here we had a very long spike even beyond this buying zone, and this is a very big bullish harmonic move on the 2-week chart. And this is the perfect bullish cipher where you can see that after initial leg it has been retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, then projected 1.272 to 1.414 and retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. And this is the retracement of X to C leg. In simple words, it's a perfect bullish cipher, and as per the Fibonacci calculations of the bullish cipher, our sell targets can be from 44.39 cents to 67.57 cents. Now if we move back to this live weekly time frame chart, and here we have already seen that the price action had this very long support uptrend support line, and the price action has broken down this support line. Now you can see that while the price line was breaking down this support line, it also moved up and confirmed this breakdown by retesting this previous support line as a resistance and move down. Therefore, this time if the price action will have a powerful bullish reversal from this potential reversal zone of this big bullish cipher that we have just seen, then if the price line will be reached here at this resistance that is now working as a resistance, then here the price line will face a hard time to break out this resistance level. And for example, if it will hit here at this level, that will be approximately at 60 cents. It depends when the price action moves towards the upside and how many candlesticks will move sideways. For example, if we have the long candlesticks moving sideways and then it will move up, then definitely it can have the resistance here approximately at 85 cents. So it depends on the move of the price line. At this time we can expect that if the price line will have a reversal like this, and this is the weekly time frame chart I am showing you, it means one candlestick represent 1 week, so this trade will need patience. We also have very nice support of 100 and 200 simple moving averages here. This yellow one is the 200 and this red one is the 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. And so far we can see that the candlesticks are moving around 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. If we switch to the 4-hour chart, and we can see that we are exactly moving at the 100 on the 4-day chart. Now I am just switching back to the weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that we are moving around this 50 simple moving average. So this is the potential reversal zone between 50 to 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. And as per the potential reversal zone of the cipher, we can see that this buying zone or potential reversal zone is exactly between the 50 and 100 simple moving averages on the weekly time frame chart. Now here if we take a look at the different support and resistance levels, then we have a very strong support at 22 cents. You can see previously it has been breaking as a very strong support on the weekly time frame chart, and after being rejected it moved up, and even when it was rejected here it again moved down and retested this 22 cents support level and started a very massive rally towards the upside. Therefore we can expect that this time the price line can have a very strong support of this 22 price level support here. And you can see that we are very close to this 22-cent support level. Therefore, I'm again saying you that this is very low risk and high reward trading plan, because we are at a very strong support, and this can be a risk stop loss as well. Now, if we take a look at the different resistance levels, then we have the next resistance at 28 cents. Previously, it has been breaking at the resistance here. Then we have the next resistance at 35 cents that has been working as a support here, and the resistance here. In my previous video, I did not discuss these resistance levels with you. Therefore, I'm just sharing these resistance levels. So we should know that what kind of resistance level we will have in the future when the price line will be reversed bullish towards the upside from here. And then we have the next resistance at 45 cents. And after 45 cents, we have the next resistance at 55 cents. It has been breaking as a resistance here and as a support here as well. Then we have the final resistance at 70 cents. And if we now switch to the daily time frame chart, keep this move of the XLM in your mind, that previously it formed a broadening formation. Like this was the support which we have here, and this was the resistance of this broadening formation. And whenever it was getting bounced by this support, it was forming the higher than the previous highs. And now if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then we can see that here the price action has found another long-term support. And you can see that the price action is again stopped at this support. After this long move, the price action is moving at this support again. And here we have a high price, and then higher price, and then higher than the previous high. So it is likely to form another broadening formation. For example, if it will be another broadening formation, then the price action can go for another higher high, approximately at 80 cents once we will have a powerful bullish reversal from here, from this potential reversal on of a big bullish cipher. So now we have this downtrend line support with a very strong support of 22 cents as well. So this can be a risk stop loss, or we can also use this downtrend line support as a risk stop loss in order to minimize the risk. However, once the price line will be reverse bullish from here, I'm expecting that will be a kind of move that we had previously. I shared with you. Let me just show you my previous idea that I shared. Even though I have shared the several ideas with you, the harmonic ideas, but the major idea was a very big harmonic bullish band that the price action formed on the monthly time frame chart. And let me just show you that move I shared with you last year. And before that, the price action formed another bullish band. And this was a kind of repetitive move. I told you that we will have a very big move from here, and this was the pattern when the price line was moving at 7 cents. Before this, it was moving at 5 cents. I also shared at that time as well this chart, and I told you that we are having a repetitive move, and the bigger than the previous one. In 2017, the bat was formed on the weekly time frame chart, and this time the bat was formed on the monthly time frame chart. Now if we play this chart, then we can see that the price action rallied from this 7 cents to 80 cents. That was more than 900% rally, and now the price action is retraced and formed another bullish harmonic cipher on the 2-week chart. So this time we can again expect a very huge move in the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.